In this video we'll show you our way to the Oshkosh, world's largest air show. Several months before, my husband's friends invite us to Oshkosh. They told we will be there with our airplane. Let's meet there. And yes, we bought the tickets, receive everything for flying to Oshkosh, and started get ready. But as it happens in life, friends couldn't go there. That's how we ended up on this show.
What's up, buddy?
See the flag?
Yeah, you want to see the flag? Okay, let's go put that in the airplane, okay? You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go to Oshkosh.
Our airplane was pretty packed because only camping available in Oshkosh. We have a tent, we have a mattress, we have a sleepy bags, and a sun tent, and chairs, and everything. We barely fit in the airplane. We have a plans. Started from St. Louis early morning and be there before 1 p.m. because in the 2 p.m. landing will be closed and air show started.
Are you ready, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Daddy, be proud.
Celsius. Altimeter 3017. Remarks. Density altitude 1,900.
Vents open, Miles, yeah?
The smart airport.
Yeah, let's get your vent open.
Automated weather
Mommy's
observation.
vent open, sit back.
1439er Zulu.
Vent open, good.
Wind 020 at 04.
St. Charles traffic, 7 get back, upwind 18, St. Charles.
Sky condition clear. Temperature 29 Celsius. 2.22 Celsius.
St. Charles track, 5 some whiskey, radio check.
Let's go to the
That's better now?
Hey, firm.
Alright, good, so we sound better.
Alright.
So you can hear us better, which is good. Miles is all ready to go, it sounds like. Alright.
And St. Charles traffic, Cherokee 14 Foxtrot. After this touch and go, we will be departing the area to the south, St. Charles. St. Charles traffic, 7 whiskey, get back. We have both traffic on final in sight, and we'll be number 3 to land, St. Charles.
St. Charles track, Cherokee 5 whiskey, taxi from the fuel pump to runway 18, St. Charles.
Traffic 5701 on about a half mile final runway 18, number 2, St. Charles.
What's it?
Okay, it's 9:45.
Brakes.
This morning was hot and the weather was perfect for flying, but after 15 minutes in the sky, clouds and rain appeared in the sky. We continued flying for some time, the clouds thickened, and eventually we landed on the nearest airport.
Selma traffic, Cherokee 5 Whiskey, final 36, Selma.
Wow, there doesn't seem to be anybody here.
Yeah. Why we landed here?
Because the weather's not great.
We'll stop here?
Yes.
For how much?
No idea.
the weather's better. Silver Traffic Cherokee 5 Whiskey, back taxiing, runway 36, Zelmer.
It was small field airport with the cornfields around and nobody else there, and we just rest, make exercises, waiting for better weather about 2 hours.
The bear.
Yeah, the bear.
Finally, we decided that we could fly further, but due to time, we had already missed the opportunity to get to the air show that day. The next our step was Monroe Airport for the get fuel.
Look, it's your favorite. Dusty Cropper. Miles, I said, hey Miles, look. I said, there's Dusty Cropper. And he goes, and Optimus Prime. I said, yeah, you're right. Optimus Prime and Dusty Cropper.
Look at this cool airport, very nice lobby, very good restrooms with showers, and pilot lounge and couple wedding machine with some treats.
Monroe Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2111 Zulu. Weather. Wind 170 at 5. Visibility 10.
70.
Ceiling 4,500.
170 at 5. Okay, Miles.
And we start flying again.
Turkey 57 Whiskey, where are you parked today?
We're just getting, good question. We're going to just be here for an hour or two before we can fly into Oshkosh after the air show. So where would you like us?
Turkey 57 Whiskey, Roger, you're going to be turning off on the closed runway, so it'll be a left turn. You can expect that whenever you come in.
Left turn on a closed runway, 57 Whiskey.
Next our step will be still not Oshkosh because it's a time for air show and we cannot land it in Oshkosh because we make a stop on Fond du Lac, this airport near Oshkosh, and we just stay there waiting, and then it will be pretty short fly from Fond du Lac to Oshkosh after 6 p.m. Look at this, guys. This airport looking like something very close to Oshkosh. Lots of airplanes, a lot of people, pretty big airport. We make a stop there. The staff show us kind of like a kitchen hangar with pizza, something else, some drinks, everything for free. We just stay there, talk with the people, eat pizza, waiting, little walk, take some rides on the golf carts, and finally go back to airplane and fly to Oshkosh.
Okay, Tatiana, so this is the time we can't be, we need your help to really look outside.
One Block Tower 915, Julia, my 3 mile final 36.
Make sure you're not seeing any.
Roger, runway 36.
Okay.
We're going to look for traffic.
36 clear line 915, Julia, Mike.
That's a beautiful rock, Lance. You can turn right heading 090.
Don't keep the rock their wings.
Fifth Avenue. Keep the microwave tower off the right side for a left down runway 18. Maintain 1,800 feet till the tower tells you to descend. You can monitor on
But just
126.
so you know, when we rock our wings, it's going to feel like this, okay?
Wind 0607, altimeter 3023.
Yeah. We're going to kind of go this way and then come back this way.
Blowing with the flashing wingtip lights. Rock your wings for me. That's beautiful, beautiful. Make that a right turn, 090 heading. Keep the microwave antenna off the right side and maintain 1,800 feet till the tower tells you to descend. You can monitor on 126.6. Bonanza flight, half mile southwest of 5th. Lead, I want you to rock the wing for me. That's a beautiful rock, Bonanza flight. Continue northeastbound, follow the railroad tracks for a straight in runway 9. Monitor 118.5.
About 15 minutes fly from Fond du Lac to Oshkosh, and it's so busy air. I never saw so much airplanes near us in the air. It's little nervous for us. Lots of instructions, radio never stop talking, and hardest thing was put our airplane in the line, because every airplane have to be in this line and keep distance 1 mile until next airplane and keep same level.
Okay, I think I see maybe our chance to make it in here. So, this airplane here, there's one right here. Right here. We're going to go behind this airplane here.
Keep that microwave tower off your right wing. Monitor tower on 126.6.
I keep in my sights. Wow, I just keep seeing so many planes right here, but nobody else getting into it. Nobody coming into it, so go up there. Okay. There's somebody over here too. Okay, where's he at? Him? See where he went? Again, do you see him?
No. Oh, yeah, I see. There. Right there.
I see him.
Yeah.
Only one runway right now they're landing on. Sometimes they land on 2 or 3 runways at once, but now it's only one runway. So that everybody's coming in on the same runway. And they want us to separate more. Have one runway.
Okay.
Like this, I can keep him right here. That's exactly 1 mile. And I can keep him right in my little line right there.
Yeah.
High wing, half mile south 5th, rock your wings. Good rock. Turn right heading 090, follow the east-west road. Keep that microwave antenna off your right wing. Start your eastbound turn down for me, please. Thank you, nice turn. And the low wing, half mile south 5th, rock your wings. Good rock. Follow the railroad tracks northeast. You're straight into runway 9 today. After passing 5th, start your descent. Monitor tower on 118.5. My high wing, that's on the left base to runway 36. Keep your altitude to tower. We'll sign left or right. Monitor tower on 126.6. Good day.
Left turn, 10 degrees to the left. 10 left, 7 with uniform. Delta.
Okay, Mr. Rich.
Yeah, RV is tight.
RV's off, lights are on.
7 uniform, follow the RV. Runway 9 clear to land on numbers.
On the numbers after the RV, 7 uniform.
Cessna approaching 1 mile final. Start your descent. Runway 9 clear to land on the numbers.
Yes, we're landing on the numbers.
Bonanza, that was a beautiful touchdown, right turn of the grass, South Flagman.
Hooray, we
Welcome to
landed in
Oshkosh.
Oshkosh. Look at this, guys. I never saw before so much airplanes together. This is the camera showed just little bit one field, but you can drive and drive and drive and drive. This is very big space and all these fields full with airplanes. It's amazing.
Wow, look at all those airplanes.
Yeah. Well, honey, we made it. You made it.
We made it. We made it. We're almost there.
Someone take a picture of us.
Oh, vintage.
Another photo. They're famous. Like
What was the call sign?
Object received for Sierra. We're currently southwest. 27 nautical miles with
Everybody take a photo.
Direct to the 36 numbers. Yep, and keep your speed up. We got 13 minutes. You got to be on the ground.
We order parking spot in a vintage airplanes area because we will see what vintage airplanes will be there. Finally, we arrived in our spot, and staff help us push the airplane, show spot where we can stay, help to park. Everything is great for now. Let's watch our next video when we will show other parts. Okay guys, this video already too long and I have to get all this trip and the parts, and next video I'll show you air show and expat center, and it will be video about life in Oshkosh, how you stay, what for children, what for food, what for shower and everything, and will be video about flying back, maybe something else, we will see. Bye bye guys, and see you later.